Welcome back, everybody. We have read your comments on the Civic.
And guess what? We're giving it away.
That's right, we are going to officially raffle off the Civic, but before that, we wanted to say a huge thanks. The videos on this build have done exceptionally well, and we've read most of your comments. Most of them are positive, so thank you so much for that, and that's why we have decided to do a giveaway.
Yeah, why not? I mean, it's a car that I think is kind of perfect for a giveaway.
It is.
It's going to be a really fun little daily driver for, you know, a college kid or anyone who needs a car that's just affordable, cheap to insure, reliable, and looks good.
A great commuter car. Yeah. Like this car is perfect for that. It's not too low.
Not too
doesn't
loud.
have like, yeah, exactly. It doesn't have like a heavy clutch or anything,
Yeah.
and it being automatic, it's kind of perfect for commuting.
Yeah.
So I think it's open to everybody in that sense.
Yes,
I think it's a great car.
It's not open to everyone in the sense of where you live, is it?
No,
Which is a bit of a bummer because we know a lot of our viewers are in the States, but because of the border being closed and because this is the first time we've ever tried something like this, we figured we would only do it within Canada to keep it as simple as possible. So
Yeah, baby steps for us. We're working towards being able to include everybody for these types of giveaways. But right now for this vehicle, we just want to test the waters and see how this is going to work, right?
Right, and I think our approach is pretty simple and straightforward on it. Basically, You'll go to our Shopify page, which is, gosh, what is it? Shopify.com/speed.
There will be a
hyphen academy.
There will be a link in the description. Just check that.
Right.
And yeah, we're going to be selling a sticker for $25 Canadian. That doesn't include tax, so you're gonna have to pay the HST. Will be free shipping. And buying this sticker will enter you automatically into the giveaway, raffle, whatever you want to call it, for this car.
Right. So we'll basically assign a number off of a raffle ticket for each purchase, and then we will pick out of a bag or whatever, randomly pick one of these tickets out, and that will be the Civic's new owner. So.
Yeah, and we're gonna do that on a live stream so you guys can follow along. The contest is going to run until November 19th, so you've got 2 weeks to enter. So don't delay. Now, if you do win this vehicle, you're going to have to figure out shipping. If you're out on the West Coast, we'll try to help you arrange that kind of stuff, but we're not gonna be able to deliver a car. If you wanna come out and pick it up, by all means, that is great. If you're in the Southern Ontario area, and it's easy peasy for you. So
sure. Pete may even deliver it to your home. If
well,
you're nice
I don't know.
about it.
Yeah, I don't know about that. So, but we'll figure that out.
For those of you who didn't watch this build, obviously go and check it out. It's just a 2-episode investment of your time. It was a car that was destined for the scrap heap, wasn't it?
Yep.
It was Pete's neighbor's car. He was going to literally send it off to the scrap heap, and we saved it from that destiny, and it looked pretty darn good, if I do say so myself, and it drives nice too.
Yes,
so
yeah.
Go watch those if you're curious what this is all about, and then make sure to jump onto our Shopify page by the 19th, buy your ticket, and cross your fingers. And we will do the live stream draw on the following week, which would be the November
26th. Yes,
right.
yes. So that's when this car will officially be given away. So that's it, everybody. Quick and short. Thank you so much, and cross your fingers because one of you is going to be winning this car.